So today we're still studying everything Life Science 8.2. Every organism alive today comes from a long line of ancestors who reproduce successfully every generation. You're supposed to finish the Reebop lab today. So have you started that yet?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I'm going to show you something here in a minute. So the do now question is, how are genotypes and phenotypes related? Do you have an answer for that? Or what do you think?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so do you remember any genotypes from the Reebop lab? What was one of the genotypes?
Oh, I can't think of what it's called.
So the genotypes were the letters, the alleles. So like for the body segments, you could have had like a capital B and a lowercase b. And then the phenotype is the physical trait. So if we had two capital B's or a capital B and a lowercase b, what physical trait was that telling the Reebop to be? You remember? Was it a 2-body segment or 3-body segment?
2.
It's actually a 3-body segment. So that would have been a dominant trait. And so 3 body segments was dominant. So genotypes and phenotypes are related because the genotype tells the phenotype what trait to show. So the genotype is going to tell your body to grow, brown eyes or blue eyes. Your genotype is going to tell your body to grow, arms and legs and how long they should be. So the genes are what are being expressed in that phenotype. So yesterday, you should have gotten to this part here where you had the parent. So in the upper left, we have the mother, and then in the upper right, we have the father, and then they go through the process of meiosis where those chromosomes split. So there's 8 pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of chromosomes. So how many total chromosomes are there?
Wait, say it again. I'm sorry.
That's right. There's 8 pairs of chromosomes. So there's 2 in each pair. How many chromosomes are there all total?
16.
Yeah, 16. So when that cell goes through meiosis, it's going to select one of those chromosomes to go down to the new gamete. And in the males, that's the sperm cell. In the females, that's the egg cell. And so now we have these gametes. And remember, the gametes are haploids. They have half of the chromosomes that the parents had. So how many chromosomes do these gamete cells have?
8.
Yep, half as many as the parent. So then when sexual reproduction occurs, those 2 cells are going to join together, and the chromosomes, it's kind of like a lock and key. They know which ones fit into the other ones. So they're going to line up based off of their appearance and their length with one another. And so in the upper right-hand corner here, we have this zygote that has 1 gene from the mother and 1 gene from the father for each 8 pairs. So now it has 16 chromosomes, and it'd be a full functioning cell, and it would start to grow and mature into whatever organism we're talking about. In this case, the Reebops. Okay, do you have any questions on that?
No.
All right, so you can start on the assignments for the rest of the week. Just make sure you take that SCA on Friday, and I will see you Monday. Bye.